everyone, I am Marie and today I am going to make a delicious chocolate buttercream. So let's get started. Okay, let's start with this buttercream. I have here my butter. It's nice and soft. There's the butter. I'm going to cream the butter. Now I have sugar and I have the cacao powder. Now I have to sieve them both, so I will, and this is my cacao with salt. Some salt because I see that not salt in here. So okay, then I have to sift my sugar too, and that I'm going to mix some. Great. And let's get some sugar in there. Bit by bit. Oopsie. And if you're going to pipe this buttercream, you certainly have to sift it, because otherwise it's going to be all clogged up, your nozzles. So I'm going to mix a little bit. And careful because it goes all kinds of ways. I have here some milk and vanilla extract. I'm going to get that in there. And that's the buttercream. Oops. Nice and airy and fluffy. So this is the buttercream. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!